It's true that the choices will affect you in the future. Here are reasons why. 1. Focusing on the positive or the negative. In reality, it's up to you to focus on the positive, the negative, or both. 2. Your habits plays a role in the present day and your own future. If you decide to be lazy, you'll get negative consequences for being lazy. And if you decide to put in a lot of effort on whatever you want in real life, then you're going to get good or great consequences in your own future. 3. Your choices. Your choices play a huge part in the present day because if you choose to avoid anything that is illegal, not helping you to improve, then it's just negative in general, and just focus on something that is helping you to be better in the present and future, then you understand. 4. Focus on clear priorities. Whatever your priority is, it's crucial to focus on them if it's for good or great reasons. None is better or more important than your own priorities, including politics. Hopefully you enjoy this video and find this video valuable and educational. Have a good day.